Passage A. It is said that every man has it in him to be a genius at something if he would only go about discovering it. Genius will not shine if you have no initiative. To be a genius is to be at the very top of the ladder, but the people who get to the top are those who made the initial effort of putting one foot and then the other on to each step. If you have a job to do, be enthusiastic about it. Have faith in yourself and in what you are going to do. To develop initiative is to develop self-confidence, courage, and the determination that will mark you out just as one of a crowd, but as a person capable of acting on your own responsibility. Para. We have read many stories of brave men who in the war had a possible course of action open to them, felt it was a right course, and acting on their initiative have followed it. The official record stated that their particular action set a high example to those who followed. This man had the initiative to advance, had sufficient faith in himself to act on his own initiative, and could inspire confidence in other. Para. If you want to make a success of your career, you must make an effort. The point is whether you want to be genius or whether you just want to dream of being one. Passage B. Dear Sir, Para. This is further to the visit of our representative to your department and discussion he had with the officers of your department in connection with your requirement for a plain paper copier. Para. I was given to understand that presently you do not have a plain paper copier. You have a heavy cyclostyling workload every day, which runs into 6,000 to 7,000 per day. In view of this, and also due to the fact that various government departments have also taken the machine on a payment cum rental basis, we offer a similar proposal to you. The machine will be supplied and placed in your premises on the following conditions. Para 1. A basic monthly rent of rupees 2,000 per month will be required to be paid up to a maximum period of 1 year. This rent can be adjusted to the cost of machine at the time of purchase. 2. For the first 15,000 copies, you will be required to pay at the rate of 40 paise per copy and 25 paise per copy for over and above 15,000 copies. You will have to bear the paper expenses. Para. Taking into consideration the advantages mentioned above, we are sure you will find it profitable and economical to have the machine immediately. We hope you will not find it difficult to have the machine on an experimental basis. Para. Awaiting your valued order. Yours sincerely.